Hi, now we will have to some uh, sample of human management. So we need the first thing you need to pay attention here. We have the create the user story. This statement will be example here as a type of user. I want to do something to reach your goal, and so that I can receive the benefit. For example, as a user, I would like to share my video of my choice on social media. So, the benefit is I am able to recommend it to my followers for the social commentary. So, this is sample story of human management. We have the 7 sample story here. The first, as an employee, I can looking for my basic salary requires registration so that I can verify my salary monthly. So the first thing upon, you need to create projects with a Scrum project here. You can select the project and create a new project here. Now you can see on this create project bar, you can see some type of things to create, but you need to focus on the Scrum software development. Select on this and next. Continue next. Select this and project name human money. Okay. Submit this and waiting for this some moment. This will create your project here. And now you can see in the left side that will have a bar with a backlog. This backlog you can add your story here, and after that we have created a sprint. Every sprint you can use at the current time. You add to do that and hover this to the in process, or when you finish you can drag and drop to done. At the same time you can here and you can select to release. That's it on the things you done. This will occur here, and reports that will have lots of time, length of time here, and that's have the bundle chart, string report, velocity chart, another. So now we first thing, we add the product backlog and we'll use this sample, copy and paste here. I will have the first. Next, add on 7 sample project here. You can select this story, task, or bug. This I select a story. Or you can select on create. You can use this, and in this is your project. You can select projects. Thus we have the issue type, task, bug, story, or epic. The summary. That's the summary as this as a CAO, I can review all the information about company or something. Reporter and the description. Want to description more detail about this Israel story. This label. And the variety. Varieties maybe help you identify clearly about does the highest high, lows or lowest. You can take this first or later and bluff. And the important things you can assign here. You can assign yourself or you have to unassign, but you want to assign for others. First thing, next things you need to add. Okay, I will create on the story first. After that, I will assign. Yes, okay. Yes. Okay. Now you can see here on our on 7. Now it's a so a bar snip here. Now you have can some issue in your backlog related start. Okay, you can create the first spring here and symbol you. Okay, this should be removed and I will create a new. Okay, now we have to shape the sample story here. Next thing, we can move this with and drag and drop to the our string. Every string you can choose several story. You can estimate that maybe below 1 month, less than 1 month. As here, we can add another to our project. User management. Click on the setting. So input your password and the next thing you have to invite your user that notify you have to configure your new mail server. You can set the human JIRA some describe firm address. So you have to configure your email